Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Effogo Joseph, your anchor man at the free genuine airdrops. In this video, I'll be showing you how to mine the major airdrops. For those of you who have not been mining major, you should understand that major is a verified mini app on Telegram, and at least you have some level of guarantee that what you're doing has some verification. There's a backup from Telegram. All right, having said that, before we go ahead to start with the main business for today, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and start getting our notification wherever new videos are published on this channel. And also, if you look at our channel description, you will also see our WhatsApp link, so that if you are not in our WhatsApp group, you can also join us, so that from time to time you'll be receiving special tips and daily success guide for those of you who are doing other airdrops. Some of those tips are not shared on our usual videos. That is why you need to be in the WhatsApp group. All right, let's move ahead and see how we can mine our major airdrop. So now that you have clicked on the major referral link, this is where you are going to land. If you have clicked on the referral link that I shared on the channel or from the WhatsApp group, you will find yourself here. So what do you do next? You will have to click on this link. It's an open major. So, but before now, you definitely be referred to the area where you have to join the major group, where you have to join the boat. But now you are here because we have already joined. Ordinarily, you shouldn't have been here. So if you are joining for the first time, you will see that link that will ask you to subscribe to their group or their channel, and then the one that will ask you to join the boat. So both of them are equally important. So after you have joined here, that you are now back, let's now click on the open major and begin to explore. Let's wait a little. So usually some of these things, network will just delay you a little. All right. Now that you're here, the first thing you are seeing is this, the bonus that have accrued for the day. So we're already in day 5. Sorry, in day 8. That's why we're saying that. So we'll open it. You just click on that take bonus and you collect the 200 stars that are there. Okay, that has been given to us. Now look at here critically, and you also see that I have some points already in my major account. I have like 628,600 major points in my account. So if you joined, you may not see that in your account because it's going to grow gradually. All right, having said that, what else are we supposed to be getting here to make us to collect our points and grow our major account? Look at this place. It says N. So, and the other one says games. So we're going to be looking at both of them. We're going to look at the N. We're going to look at the games. So let's start from the N. Let's click at it. Click on it and see what happens. All right, different things are here. Number 1 says promote turn blockchain. Say ending soon. I don't usually make use of that. The second one says stars purchase. I don't purchase stars for now. Most of the time, I usually advise my followers not to start paying money on airdrops not to start spending money on airdrop. You don't even know how much they're going to give to you at the end. But if it's an airdrop that you trust so much and that you are sure that the value will be so good, you can take the risk. But that is not to say that Major is not trusted. It's trusted. But how much of the coins will you get at the end? You are not too sure. So you have to play with caution there. But we cannot do the next one that says follow Major in Telegram, which is this. Follow Major in Telegram. Let's click it. So you click subscribe. So you can see now that you are in their channel. So because we are there in that channel, we'll go back again and click on this Major and see if our action has been recorded. So we'll click it. So you now click on the next button to check your subscription. Okay. All right. You can see now, okay, something just showed that our action has been recorded. And you can also see that in the first time, we had promotion, we had star purchase, and we had that follow before the shared Telegram stories. So that one had disappeared because the action has been recorded. So the next one we're also going to collect points from, which is about 5,000 stars, is to click on the shares in Telegram stories. So we'll do that now. We'll click on this and share in Telegram stories. Click share. Just wait a little and allow it to boot and the action will commence. Sometimes the poor network usually impacts negatively on the speed. This is taking unusual time. All right, I will pause the video and see and watch until it comes off before we continue the video. Okay, you can see it moving now. So you click next, the blue button below, you click next, and you now click post story, the one below too, the blue button. All right. Now you have done that. The story will be shared automatically on Telegram. So after doing that, you have to click on the check task. The check task will show you whether Telegram has recognized that you have done that. Click on this and then you see. So let's click on a check task. All right. You can also see that that has been done. So any of these things that are here, you can scroll them and then perform a lot of them. You can follow, you can play the arcade games, you can open Jeton, loot boss, you can follow Rossmans on Telegram, and so on and so forth. So having done that, the next thing we're going to do is to go to the games. So we go to the games and see how. So you quickly click on this link also that lead us to the game, which is this. We have 4 games to play there. So let's click it. Number 1 game says Puzzle du Rove. So click on the play button. All right. So we have the puzzle already on our side. That's why we say you can join our WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group, we share these things for you. So our video puzzle for today is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 8. Sorry, I miscalculated the number 3. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 8. So you click on check. Good. You can see we have collected 5,000 stars. You click on activate bonus. All right, it's credited to our account. So we'll go back again to play the next one, which is the hold coin. What you do is to click on the play button and hold on to. So we have clicked the play button, and then you just put your hand in the center of this star and hold it down. You can see I'm still holding the center of the coin, the star, and then it is counting. It's counting. So that is it. We have 353 of the coins allotted to all the stars. So you click activate bonus also, and then you click the back button to go back to the games, and we go to the next one, which is the roulette, and we click play also. That's number 3. So you tap to spin. That the blue button that is highlighted, tap to spin, click on it, and it will spin. Whatever it gives to you is your bonus. So if you are lucky enough, all right, we just got 500. It's okay. So click activate, and that also has been credited to our account. We click the back button and play the last game, which is your swipe coin. So what you're going to do after you click on it, the coins will come up. Instead of clicking, you will be using your hand to wipe the coins all around, and then they will be credited into your account. So we'll play that also. All right, you can see what is happening. I'm rolling my 2 fingers over the coins, and as I'm doing that, the coins will be disappearing and it will be counted. Okay, so don't use your hand to be tapping. You are not tapping, you're always swiping them. If you are playing yes coin or you are playing tomato, you will know that same way that you are swiping those coins, the same way you will swipe this, and it will be credited to your account. Okay. All right, we have 975 stars given to us. We'll click activate. So that is it for the games. So we'll click and go back again. So how do you actually invite somebody to join you on your major? So you look at that invite button, those 5 buttons on the lowest part of your page. You have the end, the games, the tab, the invite, and the wallet. So let's click on the invite, which is somewhere here, So you click it and open it. All right. You can see now that I already have some friends. If I scroll up, you see the friends that I already have here. Okay. So how do you get your own friends? There are 2 ways you're going to invite your friends. The first one is to use this invite friend. If you click this, it takes you directly to Telegram. If it takes you to your Telegram account, you just search for the friend you want to invite, and this will be pasted right in the dialog box, the chat box between the 2 of you, and you click send, and that will be sent to him the same way you send messages. Because the moment you tap on it and you now click on the person's name, it will just be deposited on your chat box, and then you click send. But the second way to do it also is to use this. Click on that small icon there, and then it will be copied. So if you are going to give this link to somebody on WhatsApp, you're going to give it to somebody on X, you're going to give it to someone on Facebook, on Instagram, or whatever, even by mail, that is what you're going to do. You copy it and paste it into the chat that you want to send to the person. That is how you're going to send your referral link to anyone who you want to join you. All right, your wallet, which is the last one. We click on the wallet also. Sorry, this is your wall. This is your wall. For now, we don't have any special thing to write on my wall as a message. So we'll just leave it for now. And So if you have not been playing your major, that is basically the new few things you need to know about major. Always make sure that you come here every day to collect your daily rewards and all that you need to do. And if you look at it very well, you see that sharing your this thing on sharing it on Telegram is also a way to get higher point like 5,000. Okay, we didn't talk about boosting your major channel. You can as well do that. So if you look at this link, you see boost your major channel. So let's quickly see how we can do that. Let's click on the boost. Now you can say boost, you click the boost. All right. You can see here and I say boost major community needs whatever to do that. So I will click on boost the channel, the last button below, and see what happens. Okay, now because I have so many channels that I've boosted before, they want me to remove one boost. So which of them should I remove? Let me just make the decision by myself. I want to remove simple. So I click on the simple official and it says I should wait. Let me click on grab this. Now that I've done that, I click reassign, the last button on the reassign boost, and it is gone. So you can see that the flowers are flying to show that my channel has been boosted. So let's click the back button and check boost below. Check if it has been done. Yes, it has been done. The task has been completed and my channel is boosted. So that is it about major. Once again, if you like this video and you find it helpful, remember to click the like button and like it. Also share it with your friends and your colleagues so that they too can benefit from the video. Thank you very much. See you again in our next video. God bless you.